The Mercedes-Benz 300 SL Gullwing, introduced in 1954, is one of the most legendary sports cars in automotive history. With its futuristic design, innovative engineering, and remarkable performance, it quickly earned a place among the greatest cars ever built. To this day, the 300 SL is considered a masterpiece of German engineering and a timeless symbol of elegance and speed. The story of the 300 SL begins with Mercedes-Benz's success in motorsport. In 1952, the company built the W194 race car, which dominated international racing, including the 24 Hours of Le Mans and the Carrera Panamericana. The victories attracted attention from Max Hoffman, a New York-based importer who believed there was a strong market for a road-going sports car in the United States. His vision convinced Mercedes to develop the 300 SL as a production car, blending racing technology with road luxury. His vision convinced Mercedes to develop the 300 SL as a production car, blending racing technology with road luxury. The most distinctive feature of the 300 SL is its upward opening gull-wing doors.